What is not started today is never finished tomorrow. Hope you all are doing good even in this challenging situation. As said, tough situations build strong people. With this, I am Naman Tripathi and my co-host
Pooja Yadav.
wishes you a warm and pleasant good morning. It is really a matter of great honor for us to have Mr. Ashutosh Roti, Senior Computer Scientist from Adobe India, as our chief guest, Dr. PJ Alphonse, Head of Department, faculty members, and Chairperson of Virgin, and all the ardent participants. We welcome you all to the inaugural ceremony of Virgin 21.
Life is good because God is great. Let us celebrate the victory of good over evil by remembering the virtues of Lord Ram. With this, we wishes you all a very happy Dashera. So let's begin this auspicious and prosperous day with the name of God and make the event wonderful by invoking the blessings of God with a prayer song by the girls of MCA first year.
या कुन्देन्दु तुषारहारधवला या शुभ्रवस्तामृता या वीणावरदण्डमण्डितकरा या श्वेतपद्मासना या ब्रह्माचितशङ्कर प्रभुदिवि देवैः सदा वन्दिता सा मां पातु सरस्वती भगवती निःशेषजाड्यापः शुक्लां ब्रह्मविचारसार परमाद्या जगद्व्यापिनी वीणा पुस्तकधारिणीं भवयदा जाड्याञ्चकारापः हस्ते स्वाटिकमालिका विदधति पद्मासने संस्कृता वन्दे तां परमेश्वरी भगवती बुद्धिप्रदां शारदा बुद्धिप्रदां शारदा प्यार दे दुलार दे मातु सद्विचार दे नमामि देवि शारदे नमामि देवि शारदे विशाल भाल शोभिनी अखिल भुवन विमोहनी कर कमल सुहासिनी कृपामयी सुहासिनी नमामि हंस वाहनी ज्ञान पद प्रकाशिते नमामि देवि शारदे नमामि देवि शारदे तु नीर दे तु चीर दे अमलमय समीर दे तु धीर दे गंभीर दे माज रास चीर दे दयानिधि कृपानिधि मशार दे नमामि देवि शारदे नमामि देवि शारदे तु निर्मला तु उज्ज्वला प्रतिफला समुज्ज्वला तु दीपिका तु वर्तिका तु तूलिका विचित्रिका तु पूर्णिमा हरितिमा नित्यनया शृङ्गारदे नमामि देवि शारदे नमामि देवि शारदे.
Thank you, girls, for this beautiful prayer song. It is said that ladder of success is climbed by stepping on the rungs of opportunity. And with this aim, we are here with 29th edition of Virgin to lighten up your fortune and add a new benchmark in this era of contest. Virgin is an all-India MCA meet that brings all the students of MCA together. They compete against each other, brush up their skills, and test their knowledge and learn something new during this process. It is fierce yet a dynamic journey. It was started in 1991 by Department of Computer Applications of NIT Trichy, and since then, it has been expanding its arms to reach new dimensions in technology. And all this again, we are here with a team on top of the list of researchers and can bring a great transition in the field of computing with this year's theme, decentralized application, with a theme named Deconcentro and a theme tagline, Divide to Conquer.
Thanks, Naman, to make us aware about the version. Now, moving ahead, I would like to call Dr. PJ Alfonso to share some words with us. He is currently the professor and head of Computer Application Department in National Institute of Technology, Trichy. Now, I would request Sir to give the welcome address for version 21.
Thank you. Coming together is a beginning. Keeping together is progress. Working together is success. I take immense pleasure and pride in welcoming you all to witness such an event of success version 21. Good morning to our Honorable Director, Ma'am, Dr. Vinnie Sajid Thomas, Chief Guest, Mr. Ashutosh Roti, faculty members of all the departments, alumni of MCA, all the students and participants present here. I welcome you all to the inaugural of the annual National Technical Symposium of the Department of Computer Applications. Version integral part of our department, and I am incredibly to announce that we have been organizing this event since 1991, and we are all here to welcome its 29th edition. Over the years, the dedicated faculty, the motivated participants, the supportive alumni, and the students of NIT Trichy have contributed best to make this event a grand success. Looking down the lane, the journey of has been a stunning, extravagant experience of a roller coaster ride with a variety of themes on latest technologies, from cybersecurity, re-engineering, agile computing, edge computing, human augmentation to decentralized applications. Version successful all years in bringing out best technical abilities of participants. And I hope that we will make it this year also. Today, we are graced by the presence of our director, NIT Trichy. Under his able leadership, NIT Trichy has crossed several milestones, and it's an honor to have here with us today. I thank you, ma'am, for taking out your time and joining us today in our successful event. I would like to extend my welcome to our honorable chief guest, Mr. Ashutosh Roti, Senior Computer Scientist, Adobe India. It's a great pleasure to have him with us. Dyson is an MCA product and has been part of the IT industry for so many years. I am sure this journey will motivate these students and will inspire them to do better in life. I am thankful to him for accepting our invitation and gracing the occasion as chief guest. Also, I would like to appreciate the staff advisor of version, Dr. S. Sangeeta, for all the little and big ways you have pitched into Gear Up version 21. I extend my thanks to the alumni who have joined us today. Their constant support and guidance made version possible every year. They have always been the pillars of our event, and I am proud and delighted to welcome them to the first virtual edition of version. Last but not the least, I would like to wish the best of luck to the student committees organizing version 21. All the best to all the participants from all over India who will be a part of this great technical symposium. He will confer who has led the artifice of deviation, such as the art of manual. I once again welcome you, all of you, to the world of technology. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir, for inspiring us and guiding us towards this. And we are very glad to have you. Now, here we have Dr. S. Sangeeta ma'am, staff advisor of version 21. And I would like to invite her to throw up some lights on the upcoming days of this fantastic event version. Ma'am? Ma'am?
I'm sorry.
Yeah, ma'am. Yeah.
Very good morning. I once again welcome you all for the inaugural function of version. I'm here to say a few words about version 2021. Basically, Version is an All India MCA meet which is conducted every year. And after successful completion of 28 years of Version, this year we are conducting 29th edition of Version on the theme Deconcentro, means decentralized applications. Basically, decentralized applications are the digital applications that exist and run on a blockchain, and they are outside the control of a single authority. Aligning with this theme, we have already conducted one pre-workshop on DApps, which was organized during August 2021. And the workshop was handled by Mr. Preetham Niham, Samsung R&D Institute, and it has benefited 150 plus participants. In line with this context, today we have invited Mr. Ashutosh Shroti, Senior Computer Scientist, Adobe India, as our chief guest, and he'll be sharing his expertise with our students. And this year, Version is conducted online for 10 days, starting from 15th of October to 25th of October 2021. And coming to the event side, the Students Committee of Version 21 has come up with a variety of online events to be explored by the participants. To name a few, Codeathon, which is a long coding event, and Conundrum, it is a hashing and decoding based event. Code Pazuru, which is a shuffle code event. And then Apprentissage, it is a computational model building event. And App Replica, which is an app building event. And Math Pirate, a reasoning and mathematical based event. And a Genius web based event. And finally, the theme event, Capture the Block, security and blockchain based event. And around 41 colleges from all over India are taking part in this Version 2021, including NIT Surathkal, Warangal, NIT Bhopal, NIT Calicut, and GEC Thrissur. I hope the participants will make use of this opportunity to exhibit their talents in the online mode. My best wishes to them. I once again welcome you all for this inaugural function of Version. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for enlightening our path towards the new beginning. Now, we are obliged to have among us Dr. Meeni Saji Thomas, the Director of National Institute of Technology, Tiruchirappalli. She graduated from University of Kerala with a gold medal, then completed her MTech from IIT Madras with a gold medal and a Siemens Prize, and further completed PhD from IIT Delhi, all in electrical engineering. She is the author of the textbook Power Systems SCADA and Smart Grids, and is a distinguished lecturer of IEEE Power Energy Society. She is the recipient of the Career Award for Young Teachers, Government of India. She won various awards during her tenure. To state few of them are the IEEE Power Energy Society Outstanding Chapter Chair Award in 2013, IEEE Member and Geographic Activities Innovation Award in 2008, IEEE Outstanding Volunteer Award in 2005, IEEE Outstanding Branch Counselor Award in 2002, and Power Energy Society Outstanding Chapter Engineer Award. Now, ma'am, please grace us with your valuable words.
Thank you, Pooja. Good morning, everyone. Vijayadashami greetings. सबको दशहरा की शुभकामनाएं. I once again welcome Shri Ashutosh Shroti of Adobe India to NIT Trichy. We wish you could come here personally soon and see the campus and our facilities and interact with our faculty and students. But thank you for joining us on Dashara Day. And Head of the Department, Professor Alphonse, Faculty Coordinator, Dr. Sangeeta, all other faculty members, the student coordinators, all the students who have joined today. Mayank Sharma, I see that as the chairman of Version. Thank you for joining us. I thought you would be busy celebrating Dashara or, preparing for the event in the evening, but glad you are working on a weekend and, organizing events. That's good. First of all, my congratulations to the Department of Computer Applications, which is one of the best computer applications department in India, maybe the best. And also special congratulations this time, because in the recently concluded convocation, we had the convocation last month, 25th September. Computer applications graduated the maximum number of PhDs. 25 PhDs they graduated, much more than the engineering departments. Generally, mechanical or production, they graduate the maximum number. So my congratulations. Out of the 174 PhDs we graduated, 25 are from computer applications. And a lot of publications have been done by the faculty. So they are doing very well. I'm sure all this comes from students. So they are working very hard. So my congratulations to the students and faculty and the head of the department. We have been online for a long time, as you know, due to the COVID protocols. But I'm glad we have been able to bring back some of the students recently, especially all our PhD scholars are back in campus. And second and third year students of our postgraduate programs. We take a few who are involved in the administration as well as some of the clubs. But now at least when we walk around the campus, we can see some movement and some students, which is very, very exciting. Otherwise, we were very lonely here in the campus, an 800-acre huge campus with only few of us here, but I'm glad we managed well during the pandemic. Our academic schedule is on track. We graduated more students, more PhDs. We got more publications because we were ready for our IT infrastructure was ready. Our institute was ready. Our library was ready to give access, remote access. Our faculty were ready to take online classes. Our students were ready from all over India and the world. So thank you very much. We are doing extremely well. I just want to update because I've not spoken to students for a while. About your version, again, congratulations. Sustaining something for 29 years is something great. And I'm glad this time you have chosen a very apt topic. And I'm sure deliberations will happen in the technical field. So I don't want to go into that. But since I'm talking to students mostly, I want to update you on some of the recent developments of the institute so that you feel proud. Because when I addressed the first year PG students recently, my request was two. One is be proud that you are in NIT Trichy. Right, so you have to feel proud about the institute, and that pride should carry on all your lifetime, in the sense that once you graduate, you become an alumni. So as an alumni also you must contribute. So that's the two parts which I was telling, that be proud and then contribute as an alumni. So I just want to update you some of the recent achievements of the institute. As you know, we retained our 9th rank in engineering in the NIRF ranking, which is great because we have only 8 IITs ahead of us, and I'm sure we will be soon, trying to be at par or better some of those institutions, because we have done extremely well last year to retain 9th, and in overall we moved to 23rd position. 23rd position among all those older institutions and well-established institutions getting enormous funding than us is something really great, because and it's a contribution of all of you, each one of you, faculty and staff and students. Also, some of you may know we are part of the National Supercomputing Mission. So a supercomputer is getting installed, a 650 TF supercomputer in our 3rd I building. It will be inaugurated sometime in November. The installation is done by CDAC. So computing capability is going to increase tremendously. And we are again these are the only NIT tags, you know, like we are the only NIT to be in the top 10. We are the only NIT in the National Supercomputing Mission. Again, we are the only NIT offering Prime Minister's Research Fellowship, being in the top 25 in the overall ranking. And last year we got 13 PMR of scholarships, which is extremely good. Also, we have been chosen as an exclusive center for innovation facilitation by the National Research Development Corporation. So this is also very good. We have set up a center for innovation, and we want to help product development. Last year, 3 of our faculty started startups, including 1 faculty from computer applications. Young friends, I'm sure your competitions will bring in some solutions to some of the problems, and don't hesitate to make it into a useful product, because we have an incubator, as you know, and that incubator we have made some made some profit, and recently in the board meeting we have decided to kind of give it as a grant for upcoming projects. So we will help you financially as well if you want to commercialize some of your inventions or some of your products. Also, recently, Government of India appointed as the National MOOCs Coordinator. You know, Swayam platform, where you have courses and engineering courses are only by NPTEL, which is a consortium of the 5 IITs and IISc Bangalore. We are the second MOOCs coordinator for engineering courses, UG and PG. So we are setting up our studios. Soon we will have our online courses and maybe some online programs, because that's the way the world is moving now. And also, all of you know, we have a strategic plan to be one of the top institutions in India and one of the top in the world. And recently we inaugurated many centers of excellence. As you know, we have the Siemens Center of Excellence, which is a 190 crore investment. But recently we inaugurated a center of excellence in advanced manufacturing and automation with a metal 3D printer and associated functions. And I'm very glad to also announce that TCS Foundation has just approved a grant of 10 crores to set up a TCS Foundation AI Center at NIT Trichy. We just received the MOU, so this will be beneficial to faculty and staff, especially for computer applications also, because they will be funding faculty and students to do research here, and they will be bringing international faculty to come here and stay with us, so that we become a reckoning force in the field of AI. So this is something we have been working for the last 2 years, but now this has materialized. As I said, we have been doing extremely well in publications as well as patent filing. We have an IPR policy, and this year itself we got around 6 patents granted. Infrastructure development also, I just want to tell you, we have been laying the foundation stones for many buildings, including 1 boys hostel and 6 department annex buildings, adding around 50,000 square meters of space soon. I invite all of you to be there on Sunday, day after tomorrow, 10 o'clock in the morning, where our Olympic gold medalist Neeraj Chopra will be laying the foundation stone of our Amethyst, the new boys hostel, 500-seater boys hostel. So infrastructure also, and when maybe some of you who are in the campus must have seen the Miyawaki forest, which is coming up. We are very keen on greening of the campus as well. And as you know, NIT Trichy, Mr. Ashutoshji, I just want to tell you that we are very socially responsible, and our students, we have a Ignite Club where we teach rural government school children for JEE and NEET examinations, and last year four of four students got in, two into NIT Trichy and two in government medical colleges. And this year again, with completely online teaching, we have been able to get one student into he will be getting into NIT Trichy from a very poor background, from a very rural setting. So we have been doing all this, and of course the contribution of computer science and computer applications department is very valuable. And I'm sure this version 29th edition will throw in more surprises, as well as a lot of new initiatives and new projects. And when you have different people coming together, our mantra is collaboration. We want different departments to come together inside the institute. We want to collaborate with other industries and institutes. That's what we've been doing, and I'm sure Adobe will help us collaborate with projects as well as internship for our students, and of course placements. I'm sure you will be looking forward to getting some bright students from NIT Trichy. So I wish the event all the very best. Again, be proud of an NITT student, as well as you pass out, be proud of an NITTN. Thank you very much. Congratulations once again.
Thank you, ma'am, for guiding us and keeping our spirits high. We are very proud to be part of NIT, first of all, and we hope to carry that pride with this event as well and follow the path that you have set for us. It is that success is not final, failure is not fatal. It is the courage to continue that counts. And today, we are deeply honored to have someone among us who have made this come true. First of all, I'd like to thank Mr. Ashutosh Shrote for his presence. Thank you so much, sir. Mr. Ashutosh Shrote, Senior Computer Scientist at Adobe India. He completed Masters of Computer Application from Indian Institute of Technology, Roorkee in 2007. And later, in 2011, he joined Microsoft India as a software engineer. Thereafter, in 2012, he joined Adobe as a Senior Computer Scientist. His expertise includes several domains like agile development, building distributed and scalable platform systems at cloud scale, leading a team of highly skilled professional software and development projects. We invite you, sir, to shower us with your knowledge and guide us with your experience.
Thank you. Thank you so much for the nice introduction. Respected Director Ma'am, HOD Sir, faculty and staff member of NIT Trichy, the organizer of this event, and all the students, a very good morning. It's an absolute honor to be here today, and I'm delighted to be a part of this 29th edition of MCA Technical Fest version 21. If I can recall correctly, almost 15 years ago, I was organizing a very similar technical fest, Cognizant, in IIT Roorkee. And when I have got the invitation to join this event, it reminded me of Cognizant's experience. We used to prepare for more than a month to organize Cognizant, and we used to be involved in all the aspects of it, from getting the sponsors, competing to get the best event, technical event for MCA, sticking banners throughout the campus, collaborating with participants across India. That whole month was like a festival at the campus. So I very well understand the effort it takes to organize a technical event of this scale at this level. So kudos to all the organizers of version 21. The effort and complexity gets multifold when you have to execute such an event online. So, and it's really tough to keep it engaging for everyone, and not just for the participants, but you had to engage all the stakeholders involved throughout. So I congratulate all the students and teachers involved in making it happen. And here I'm hoping all the students participating from the other institutes have similar technical events or hackathon in their institutes as well, and they have been organizing actively those. If for some reason you don't have such technical events in your universities or colleges, or if you don't have at this scale, this is the time to take this learning back with you and ensure you organize such events. And every year you have to set the bar high, so that your junior can take it to the next level. Every year scale should get bigger and bigger. And believe me, this experience of organizing these such events will definitely pay you back. When you organize events at this scale, you learn how to successfully deliver working as a team, how to mitigate the last moments challenges, how to advertise and present your events in the best possible way. You learn how to optimize and manage the resources, capacity planning, and many other skills. If you're deeply involved in organizing such events, at the closure you will have many such skills in your toolbox. And see, these are the skills you are learning under the hood. We call them learning by experience, and believe me, these are very relevant for your future. When you join big tech giants after MCA, or you open your own startups or companies, you will notice similar practices they follow to deliver their project successfully. And if I talk about the IIT industry and the exposure you get as a MCA passed out student, so I would say you will find MCA folks everywhere on all the profiles, be it software engineer, engineering manager, product manager, individual contributor, web developer, data scientist. You will find the presence of MCA everywhere. And I hope most of you already connected with your seniors and alumni working across the globe. If not, please connect and take their guidance and supports wherever needed. And see, once you enter into the product development company, nobody cares what degree you have, what your CGPA what was your CGPA in your last degree. The only thing that matters, what impact you can create with your contributions and your result oriented approach, your sincerity and perseverance to solve the technical problems. And I believe this is what we practice at NITs and IITs, and you have demonstrated those skills to get into these premier institutes of higher learning. So daily spend some quality time in learning new skills, learn new technologies, tools, learn new languages. IT companies very much focuses on continuous learning and development. You will notice companies having funds ranging from $1,000 to $10,000 for every employee to learn new skills and technologies. And as you guys know, like our field, I mean, computer science is all about consistent learning and innovation. What you are learning today may not be relevant in coming years. For example, when I joined my first company from the campus, there was SOA. They were into SOA business, service oriented architecture business, and it was a very noble concept, and was a hot cake at that time, this SOA thing. There were many middlewares integrations product available in the market to enable SOA workflows. Companies like Microsoft, BA, Oracle, Apache were having these SOA products in their portfolios. And if I look at those products now, either their market share dropped heavily or they have upgraded as per the market demands. So the point here is technologies rapidly changes, products and services upgrades regularly. And to handle this pace of change, you have to continuously learn and upgrade yourself to remain relevant in your job. And I would also like to add one more interesting fact here. The fundamentals are still relevant. So you still have courses on data structures, algorithms, operating systems, discrete mathematics, OOPS, and language internals. These courses are still in your curriculum, and they were there 30 years ago and will remain continue in future. So you will have to master these. These are the building blocks. So the takeaway is master the fundamentals, be cognizant of new technologies and tools and trends. And if you're willing to learn regularly, if you are good at keeping yourself upgraded, you will feel lucky to be in this field. And why I'm saying you should be aware of these new technologies. See, you will find many examples when new technologies disrupted the existing successful, profitable market. There were many occasions when technologies forced to redesign and revamp the working product. I'm sure nobody could even think of claiming 5 nines of availability when we used to operate as a monolith 10 years before. And now AWS framework, or for that matter, any cloud infrastructure provider allows you to achieve 5 nines of availability, 4 nines of availability, and all that became possible due to this disruptive transformation in cloud native deployments. the kind of transformations we had in the microservices architecture and cloud technologies in the last decade. So, and then now we are seeing the similar disruption in the area of blockchain platform, and services and apps are getting deployed over the blockchain platform, and decentralized applications are gaining popularity. So, and I'm very thrilled to see dApps, decentralized application, is a theme you choose for this year's version 21. It shows that you have been aware of these trends, and you well understand the impact it is going to have on the community as a developer or as a user of dApps. So, and before I hand it over to the next speaker, I quickly want to share my perspective on this theme of version 21. So as we know, blockchain technology has been trending in the past few years and changed the way we used to host and deploy applications on the web. There are already 2000 plus dApps available in the market at the moment, and the industry is growing at a rapid pace. And it's a nice opportunity for all the participants to follow and contribute here. Here in this event, you can brainstorm on the services or applications that you strongly think should be implemented over the distributed blockchain platform. And as part of your academic or non-academic project, see if you can consider prototyping your ideas and run them on a P2P network of computer. As Director Ma'am said, like we have an option of using incubation to prototype these ideas. So that that's one thing we can definitely uh, consider here. And so to end this, I would say all the participants make the best use of this opportunity, make the best use of your time here in the version 21, and learn and demonstrate your knowledge. Take the learning back with you. And so with that, best of luck to all participants and organizer of this event. Perform your best. And again, it's an honor and privilege to be here at this inaugural event. Thank you so much for having me here.
Thank you so much, sir, for making time with us on the festive day and for sharing and enriching us with your knowledge and experience of the IT industry. Thanks you for informing about the skills that we need an aspirant of IT industry, and we will definitely focus on that. We are inspired by your journey and giving us insights of IT industry. Now, I would like to request Mr. Mayank Sharma, Chairman of Version 21, to deliver the vote of thanks.
So, good morning to you all. Respected Honorable Director Ma'am, Dr. Vinishaji Thomas, respected Head of the Department, Dr. PJ Alphonse, and Faculty Advisor for Version 21, Dr. Mrs. Sangeeta Ma'am, respected faculty members, our valued alumni, and enthusiastic participants, and the students of MCA and ITPC. So, first of all, I would like to say that I'm happy to share that we have covered colleges from all around India. Students are participating and have registered for participating for the next 10 days. And I'm happy that they are going to be a part of this audacious journey with us. So, thus, I, on the behalf of entire MCA family, would like to express my deep sense of appreciation and welcome you all to an audacious journey for the next 10 days. And we would like to present you with a challenging set of events, and so that you can enjoy the next 10 days with us. Hence, since version has been happening for 28 years and this is a 29th edition, and there have been many challenges, but we have overcome these challenges and we are trying to provide the best experiences. This is the first virtual edition. So we hope that you will be with us for the next 10 days from 15th, that is today, to 25th of October. That's it from my side. Thank you. And I welcome you once again to version 20. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Unfortunately, we are not able to have this in a real life. So I would request all of you just to turn on your camera and see all your beautiful faces. Like I believe most of you are freshened up and had a breakfast. So I would just request all of you for once to turn on your camera and get to know each other well that way. Don't be that sad. We have to like get used to this. This is the new normal thing for us. You know, all our PIs, all things are happening here. We have been attending online classes for a while now. I just request all of you to just turn on your camera, and that would be very great for us. We have a quick memory. So first of all, I'd like to thank you all the members to come here, all the participants, our director ma'am, staff advisor, our chief guest. So thank you for making time for this and giving us a fresh start to the version. So at last but not the least, we want to say that success comes only to those who believe in themselves and are prepared to win. So good luck to all of you with all upcoming events. Hope you all enjoy them. Thank you very much.
Thank you,
And
everyone.
happy Dussehra.
Yeah,
All
thank
the
you all
best.
for joining us. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.